Hello folks, Wes here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a Toyota Aygo. And what have we done to this? We've added a KENWOOD 5023. We've managed to keep the steering wheel controls working, so that's all there. Original USB port is in use, and the factory camera is still working. Now this is an entry-level unit, but the owner is a learner driver, so now he's got ways for all the roads and all the speeds and everything that's around him. The awareness is great. He's got his phone for any emergencies, and he's got his Spotify and other music apps as well. This unit fits absolutely perfect. The owner now has a 3-year warranty, so he's covered under any drama. Being new and driving, you know, there's a lot of things to consider. At least there's a bit of peace of mind. If you want something like this, give us a shout. It's Waz at B&B Audio Concepts, and we are based in Wales, in Cardiff. If you need something like this, come and see us. We are KENWOOD's Pro Installer for Wales. Speak to you all soon.